Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to sum an array of numbers in Power Automate in a very fast way and easy. This is a really common requirement, and generally speaking, with a small amount of numbers it's quite easy to do. You just have an apply to each loop like this and increment a variable, and the number gets bigger and bigger with every iteration of the loop, and then you have your sum. And that works fine if you've got a small array. But if you want to, I don't know, sum up 10 or 20,000 numbers, this isn't going to work very well. So I'm going to show you an even easier flow than this, which can sum numbers in no time at all. The number has actually only got one step, really, just this run script from Excel. And all I've done in Excel Online is just created this function called SumArray, which takes a parameter of numbers to sum, which is an array, and then sums them here and then returns the value to Power Automate. I have got a text file here with 20,000 numbers in it, separated by commas. If we look at my flow, I'm just doing get file content, splitting the input of get file content on a comma to turn that into an array of numbers. So I choose the run script action and point it at my Power Automate functions Excel file. Choose the function I want to execute, SumArray, and just pass in my array from number array into the script. So if I just test that. Okay, so now it's executing. This number array has got, as I said, 20,000 numbers, and they are floating point numbers and negatives and positives. So here we are, it's run now, and you can see it's returned the result. And that is all there is to it, really. And you can get that result directly if you just go into a compose action. And you can just pick the result from the dynamic content. So that, I spent actually quite a long time trying to find a solution to this problem, and created all sorts of complicated expressions and never really came up with a good solution. But this TypeScript method gives us access to all sorts of power that we didn't have before in Power Automate. So it's a really good solution. I hope it works for you. Please try it out. Let me know in the comments if you had a good result. Cheers. Bye-bye.